don't know what song that is.
Yeah, you do.
I don't know if I know it.
Don't take your love away.
The driver in my Uber has left me
50 Cent.
Well, how? I don't know it. Sing it again.
You know that garage song? It's like dun 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 dun, dun and it's like don't take your love away, your love away. Yeah, that song.
Oh, I know. Hi, hello, what's goody? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Meech. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for sticking around.
I'm Tash.
Yeah, I'm in New York, guys. As you can probably tell from the beginning of the video, I'm in New York, so spend a weekend with me.
Spend the weekend with her, don't spend it with me.
With us, no?
No, you just said spend it with me.
Oh, sorry, spend it with us. What are we getting up to?
We're getting part of the lit commit.
The lit commit. We're attending Rolling Loud. We are brunching, some hookah, some sightseeing, just being tourists while the weather is like something like 9 degrees. But anyway, today's our first day, so I guess I'll check in with you when we go and find somewhere to eat. Bye.
Young nigga move that dope. Young nigga move that dope, babe, move that dope, babe, move that dope. Young nigga move that dope. Young nigga move that dope. Young nigga move that dope, babe, move that dope, babe, move that dope.
So we ended up in a random spot in Queens. I would say the food was really good.
It was, but it was
like
$12 US for 5 freaking shrimp.
It was expensive. 5 shrimps for $12. Like, I know shrimp's expensive, but like, why am I paying $12 for shrimps? But the food was good. The food was really good.
And the waiter was
the waiter was very, very interesting. He was fun. He was helpful. It was like I guess it was like a nice spot. It was nice inside. The interior was nice. I could still eat. Considering we spent, what, like 42 US, which is like...
Was that including tip?
Including tip, 42 US. Considering we spent that much, surely I shouldn't still be hungry. I'm like, not hungry, but I could eat. So, what's the plan now?
Go home, get freshened up.
I actually put on some like makeup.
Yeah.
Kind of, because right now I've only got...
Because that's my favourite thing.
Yes, gonna have a drink, freshen up, play some music, head to Rolling Loud. So, see you when you get there. Bye. It is 7:40 p.m. on Thursday night. Haven't even reached Rolling Loud yet, and it finishes at 10. I'm like super wavy. The driver has left me. The driver in my Uber has left me. He said he needed to use the restroom. My girls who I came with have left me. They said they needed to use the restroom. So I'm really out here on the highway.
On the highway.
Outside Dunkin' Donuts, waiting for my friends and the driver to come back from using the restroom.
You get the bag and fumble it, I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she got ass, and she gon' fuck up her bag. Back in the mail, it's gone. She like I smell cologne. Yeah, I just signed a deal, I'm on. Yeah. I go where I want, good. Play if you want, let's do it. I'm a young CEO, sure. Yeah.
I take you to the candy shop. I let you lick the lollipop. Go ahead, girl, don't you stop. Keep going till you hit the spot. Whoa.
Grand Rising. It's what, day 2? I got a headache. Had too much vodka yesterday.
No.
Just heading out to go find some food and everything else, and like pick up some stuff. It's really cold today. 11 degrees today. and it's supposed to rain today, so that's going to be interesting. 50 Cent was definitely my highlight. 50 Cent. Well, however, I feel like my age was showing because all these little kids came for Lil Uzi Vert. I'm the man, I'm the man, I'm the man. But anyway, heading on the subway. Goodbye.
On my ass, pipes on my pipes on my pipes realist, bitch, realist, pipes realist, bitch, realist.
So shit, motherfucker. I represent so shit, motherfucker. I represent so shit, motherfucker. If you scared of throwing it up, I think the fuck I can grow. If you scared of throwing it up,
so it's day 3 today. I don't even know where I left the vlog off. I'm pretty sure the last thing was I was heading out to get food. Then I went to Rolling Loud again. Yesterday was amazing. It was like raining. I think I got some clips and I would have put them in here if I do have some clips. But we basically had to watch J. Cole in like a complete like hurricane storm kind of weather. So today is day 3, all dressed, going for brunch in Harlem, and then I'm gonna head to Rolling Loud, so I will touch base with you guys when I get to Angel of Harlem.
Eat a Barbie ass or something. Eat a Barbie ass or something. Eat a Barbie ass or something.
Ride with the mob, do our law. Check you and me, and do your job. Berg is the name, Ben Baller did the chain. Tono for the watch, Prezi plain Jane. Yamagini chain, rest in peace to my superior. Man's nigga feed a village in Liberia. TMZ taking pictures, causing my hysteria. Mama see me all BT and start. Oh, you messed up. When you risk your life, Uncle used to skim work, selling nicks at night. I was only 8 years old, watching Nick at night. Uncle Psycho was in that bathroom bugging. Knife to his gut, hope that they don't cut him. Suicidal thoughts brought to me with no advisory. He was pitching dummies, selling beans, mad ivory. Grandma had the arthritis in her hands bad. She was popping pills like rappers in society. I'll fuck your bitch for the irony. I said meet you at your hood, your bitch keep eyeing me. Ride with the mob, do our law. Check.
I'm a real street nigga, gotta keep it irregular. Turn the whole squad to bosses. I might be kicking shit like I'm Adidas, yeah.
Every time I need the hype, throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you not around, when you throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. 713.
I feel like I've neglected the vlog for however many days, but it is my final day. Rolling Loud was amazing yesterday. I put back on my sneakers this morning. I had PTSD from people stepping on my feet, but Travis Scott was out of this world. I'm like still on a high. Like, that was amazing. It's my first time raging and I put everything into it. The crowd was good vibes. Everybody was just there to have a good time. It was good. Brunch was good too. I don't think I checked in after brunch. So yeah, brunch was good too. Definitely recommend if you're in New York. Today I'm just gonna do some sightseeing, some exploring. Maybe I'll put together a montage. Maybe I'll check back in. Who knows? But if not, and this is the end of the vlog, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay fierce, stay real, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Woo, woo. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, I said I feel invisible. It's 100 niggas in the spot. I won't keep going. It's 85 just to walk through. I don't talk to these niggas, cause a lot of these niggas be corny. I feel they horny, and I shoot like Robert Hood. I'm off this percolated shit. I got a percolated bitch. I give her this percolated dick. I show her this percolated trick.